To add your first invoice on the Whisk web portal, click Add First Invoice from the Venue Setup checklist, or click Orders, then Invoices/Returns. Then click Actions, and under New, click Invoice. Then select the distributor you're receiving the invoice from. You'll then need to select an area where the items from the invoice are being added. If items are being put into multiple areas, just select the most applicable one. In this case, let's choose the stockroom. You can also add the invoice number and total in the optional fields below. When done, click Save. A new window opens where you will add the items to the invoice. Before you start adding anything, make sure the date and time are correct. It populates with the current date and time by default, but if you need to backdate the invoice, just click the Date field. The time should reflect when the items from the invoice were unboxed and placed with your other stock. With the correct date and time, you can then start to add items. In the Add Item field, type the name of the item you're adding to the invoice. You'll see any matches from your existing item list, and you can click an item to add it. If the item is not already part of your Venue item list, you can click Search Online Catalog to find a match in the Whisk database. If it's still not there, you can click Create New Bottle and fill in the item details. After you've selected the item, you'll then add the quantity on the invoice. You can add cases or individual units. There's also an option for partial units, but this will not likely be used when receiving new stock. If necessary, you can then adjust the cost of the item. You can adjust the cost per unit or the cost per case. Make sure that it matches the amount on your paper invoice. If you need to make changes, just click into the field and adjust the amount. If there are any discounts, you can then enter that value into the field. The discounts apply on a per unit basis. Then click the check mark to add the item to the invoice. You can then add the rest of the items to the invoice. As you add your items, you'll see the value in the total field increase. The invoice also saves automatically each time you add an item. If you've taken a picture of the invoice, you can click Add Image to upload it so you'll have a digital record. Once you've added everything, click the X button on the top right. You'll then have an option to send a confirmation email that the invoice has been added. You'll then see the invoice appear on your list of invoices. If you need to make any changes to it, you can click the Details button here. And there you go. You've added your first invoice.